Hi guys. To end our fun session for the cha-cha today, we are going to learn how to make pico de gallo, homemade pico de gallo a la salsa colada. So here we go. Here are your ingredients, okay? We are gonna need 5 tomatoes. Vine tomatoes, any type of tomato will do. I don't seed them for my salsa. We're gonna need an onion. The onion is optional. I am not a big onion person, so I have not included it in my ingredients here, but it is something that if you like the onion, you should add it. It'll just make it that much more perfect. You're gonna need 1 mango, just a regular mango, not too soft. You will need the juice of 1½ limes. I love to add radishes to my pico de gallo because it adds that crunch that you need when you are either dipping it with chips or if you just want to add it to your steak. This is a beautiful sauce for the steak. It's a salsa that would go on top of your barbecued steak. You'd love it. We are going to use about this much cilantro. It's about 1/4 of a bunch. That's probably all you need. I have added all the ingredients and I have diced them. As you can see, we have the 5 tomatoes, we have the mango, we have the cilantro and the radishes. Everything is just diced and then you're going to just add it together to your bowl. This is just how easy it is, you guys. Once you have them all together, you will blend them. Here you go. And just a quick blend. There you go. You can see all the colors and the textures. Now, the mango and the tomatoes, they're a softer texture, for the most part. The radishes will just add the crunch. And you probably never thought of radishes, but you probably don't want to miss that. If you don't have them, though, you will be just fine without them. About 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Any type of salt you have at home will do. So you will add it to your salsa. About 1.5 limes, just the juice of course. And then you're gonna pour it on top. There you go. Mix again. This is gonna add a nice tarty taste to it. And let's not forget the 2 things that are gonna make this just perfect. Red hot or Tabasco sauce. You want to add, it depends on your family tastes and how they do. For me it's about 4. For you it may be just 1. For some of you it may be none, and that's okay. Then we are going to add about, for this amount, about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not too much, not too little. So mix again. Now your pico de gallo is perfect for putting on your steak or just eating it with chips. Again, if you don't have mangoes, you will be fine just making it with the tomatoes, onions, limes, radishes, and cilantro. Then if you have made all that and then you have a mango to spare, throw it in. If not, you'll be fine without it. Just stay healthy and enjoy, guys. See you soon.